Welcome to Math 10 class, and I will be your teacher, Sir Von Francisco.
For today's lesson, we'll be dealing with remainder theorem and factor theorem. Remainder theorem states that if the polynomial p of x is divided by x minus c, then the remainder is p of c. Or simply, sinasagot lang natin ang tanong na, what is the remainder? If the question only requires the remainder, then we can apply remainder theorem. So how is that? Let's have some examples.
There are two methods or two ways in finding a remainder. The first one is by the use of synthetic division. Okay. So the first step is to look at the dividend. It should be in decreasing order. So we know it is already in decreasing order. The next thing to do is to get the value of x. So in this case, the value of x is equal to positive 3. So write the value of x here. Put this sign. Then now, we get the value of the coefficient of the dividend. So the first term, the coefficient is 1. Second term is 4. Third term is 3. And last term is negative 2. Then put a line under. First step is to bring the first coefficient down. So bring this one down. 1 times 3, that will be 3, put it here. Then add 4 plus 3 is 7. 7 times 3 is 21. Then 3 plus 21 is 24. 24 times 3 is 72. Negative 2 plus 72 is 70. Then put a bar here, meaning beyond this line will be our remainder. So in this case, the remainder will be equal to 70. The second method is by substitution. So first step is to get the value of x. So a while ago, we already have the value of x. We know the value of x is equal to 3. Okay. Next thing to do is to substitute this 3 in all the x's in the dividend. So, lahat ng x, papalitan natin ng 3. So, the first term in the dividend is x cubed. So, x cubed will become 3 raised to the third power plus 4 times 3 raised to the second power plus 3 times 3. Then, just copy negative 2. Okay. Next thing to do is to simplify those in exponential form. 3 raised to 3 is equal to 27. 4 times 3 raised to the second power, first thing to solve will be 3 raised to the second power. So the value of that is 9. Then 9 multiplied by 4 is 36. So copy natin si plus sign. Bring down again plus sign here. 3 times 3 is 9. Then bring down negative 2. 27 plus 36 is 63. Plus 9 is 72. Minus 2 is 70. Okay, so our remainder is 70. same answer when we do it by the use of synthetic division.
Let's move on to factor theorem. Factor theorem states that if the remainder comes out to be 0, then x minus c is a factor of p of x. In factor theorem, we will only prove that the divisor is a factor of this polynomial. How do we know that this divisor is a factor of this polynomial? So if the remainder becomes 0, then the divisor is a factor of this polynomial. Let's try to solve this using substitution. Okay, so the value of x is equal to positive 2. Okay, so the first term of the dividend is x cubed. So that will become 2 raised to the third power minus 2 raised to the second power minus 4 times 2 plus 4. Okay, so by simplifying, 2 raised to the third power is 2 times 2 times 2, or 8, minus 2 raised to the second power is 4, minus 4 times 2 is 8, plus 4. 8 minus 4 is 4, minus 8 is negative 4. Negative 4 plus 4 is 0. So it only proves that this x minus 2 is a factor of this polynomial. That's all for today, class. Thank you and see you in the next class. Once again, this is Sir Francisco, your math teacher. Always remember that math is fun.